Yes, hello. My friend. This service is a bit so confusing. All times going, coming back, nothing we can get daily, until the month is finished. It is too tiresome. Right now, I'm supposed to be at my daily work, but now, because of teaching, I have come to school. So, how about you? What are you doing? I have come, but really I'm not so happy. This course of teaching is really...
The meaning of hot? What is like what? High temperature. With the high temperature. Yesterday the weather was hot. When you are going to give it the meaning, how can you say it? What about this absent? Absent. A person who is not available.
Those ones are addicted to drugs.
Sure.
Drugs, beer, drinking, alcohol, that is their sense.
How can you know?
Always he come when his eyes are red, as if he's sick red eyes. Why?
Maybe has a problem, yes. Because every day
He teach, yes, after 2 hours. Now how will we succeed even we are preparing national exams? It is a problem. I will tell my mom, my dad, and we shall go and tell the principal.
man, seriously, even he can't explain for us what, and we listen. He can't even every day he came when he's late. What can you do?
Yes, every time he come,
It is a very tiresome work. All times, except Saturday and Sunday, they are the only days we get resting. But okay, sit down. Yes, my friend, I enjoyed the weekend. Was so fantastic. I had a girl. She took me to Kigali and we enjoyed. Yeah, everything was so marvelous. Really. My dear friend, indeed, this course is too boring. But now I'm thinking about just reaching to Kigali. I visit my girl and I say, oh, wait, pause a bit. Yes, my friends, see you. Time for break. As you are thinking about tomorrow, we are supposed to... Go ahead! Shut up! Come here! Go ahead! Fake. Shouting for me? A big man like this? Am I your standard? I'm not your level. Go and undermine your parent. What's that? Seriously, my friend. I was talking to these dogs. They are very fake. Yeah. They are very fake. I can't even give them attention. I had to penalize them because they were shouting for me. Really? Can I just be undermined? See, I can't. It can't be.